Hi everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can use apply function for a pandas series. Previously we had seen a pandas series which we converted a data frame into a pandas series. So currently we have here our series S and we want to apply here a function on this column. There is no column actually, in fact on this vector, and we will be using this function. So how you can do that? It's very much simple. You can simply write here dot apply, and then you can check here the type of the value, whatever the value we are passing there, we can simply check the type of that. It will automatically returns the type of those function. So currently we are having here integer data. Let's go ahead and read here string data so that we can apply other functions as well. So basically I'm just gonna read here this one once again, a same function, or I'm just gonna apply there a same function to read a same file, a Fortune 1000 CSV, and this time I'm gonna read here a company column, and then I'm gonna convert that into a series. So here I have a company column. Let's go ahead and apply a function once again on this. A same function, a same type I'm just going to apply there. Earlier you had seen that it was string type. No, it was an integer type in fact. Now it has become here a string type. We can apply other functions as well. For example, we can apply here a len. So the len will automatically convert a length of these string there. So just for your reference, I'm also gonna keep yes so that you can keep keep an eye on the data set which we have here. And once again, I'm just gonna apply here dot apply. Do remember one thing here, we are just passing here the parameter which we want to get out of these. So whatever the parameter we pass, that will automatically applied on the individual value of these rows. Like earlier we applied here a len, so it becomes something like that. Otherwise we can apply here a split, it will automatically split there. Alright, so actually we don't have the data. I'll show you later on how you can apply the split. So the split you can apply by using a lambda function. So to do that, you can simply write here a lambda x and then x dot split. Alright. Then you can apply that. You will see that it will split the data here. So these data are being splitted on a space there. So now you see there Walmart does not have any space, so it is individual list there, but ExxonMobil have one single space. That is why it is broken into two values, and similarly other values there. That's how you can apply and lambda. That's how you can apply and lambda together. Alright, let's go ahead and see how you can apply here other functions like s dot apply. Once again, you have here two options. Either you can use a lambda or you can directly use the apply there. So I'm gonna just do here apply dot lower. Alright, if you do this, it's gonna say that it is the name error. Or if you say it's something like this, it's again gonna give you the lower is not defined. The reason is we cannot apply directly here without giving any the parameters there. So I'm gonna say that the value got converted into str, and thereafter I'm applying here a lower function on that str. Now you see that all these values got converted into a lower, and similarly you can apply here upper, and all these value will be converted into uppercase. Similarly, you can apply there a title. So all these value will be converted into a title case. Although these values are already into the title case, but you see there here a difference. This one and this one are not the same because this got converted into a title case. So the title case is something where the first character of the word is in the uppercase. Similarly, you can apply here s dot apply str dot split. Earlier I told you that you can do the split by using the lambda function. Otherwise you can do here str, and then you can apply the other functions which are actually applied on the str. Alright, So you might be asking that why sometimes we needed to do here str and sometimes we didn't need to do the str like earlier we did for the length parameter. The reason is something like this. Let me tell you. If you have a string here, all right, and you apply a parameter on the string, something like this. If you want to apply something like this, then you have to do here str dot, all right. But if you pass this string as the parameter in the function itself, then you don't need to do. For example, if you do something like this, all right, if you do something like this where your string value is passed as the parameter in the function itself, then you don't need to put the str. Otherwise you have to put the str and then you apply the function without any round braces there, and that will automatically get applied there. All right, perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. I'll see you next one.